My name's Lori. I've been working here for about a year. I'm having Dr. Roberts restore all my upper teeth, the full 8 on the top. When I was younger, I had braces. My mom put them on, and I was responsible to get there to do it myself, all my appointments, and I didn't. So I ended up having them taken off before they were done. My whole life I've gone just with, you know, terrible looking teeth, and then I started grinding them down, and I've lost quite a bit on my upper teeth. I have no real shape to my upper teeth. So since I've been working here over a year, I've watched all the work that Randy has done and all the other doctors as well, and I'm really amazed by it. Actually, some of them make me a little teary and stuff, so I figured, well, this is the best place to get it done since I watch Randy do it every day. So I feel very comfortable and excited to do this. Yeah, I think I'm excited, a little nervous, but excited. So today, hopefully, we're gonna start prepping my teeth. They'll print out a temporary to put on the top, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, this is basically everything that we're gonna need to prep my teeth today. This is just your topical, starts getting your gums numb. This is the anesthetic to actually get my gums numb. Just all his little instruments. These are just the burrs that help prep my teeth for my new ones. This little wonderful little thing is just an Obfuscate. It's like a little round thing that holds your mouth open so you can see everything nice and clear. Also helps with the scanning. I think that's pretty much it. This is probably one of the more simple things to do.
All right, so we can see here on Lori's teeth that she's ground away her top teeth quite a bit. So if we could look at that facial direction again, Jeffrey. So yeah, from here, just can see everything kind of got flattened away. So we are going to work on lengthening that out. Here you can see that Jeffrey's designed bringing her teeth back to the length that they were before. So what we're gonna do is we're going to prepare her teeth by taking them down a little bit to be able to create space for the restorations to come in here. And then we are going to 3D print these teeth for her today so that she's gonna go from what she's got in her mouth right now to these teeth in just a matter of a couple hours. So we're just going to prepare her teeth and make space for those guys, scan her in, and then Jeffrey's gonna do a conversion where he's going to take the new scan that we're gonna send her and he's gonna overlap it with this design that we already have. And then we're going to use that, this design to just print those teeth to go right on top of those. So what are your thoughts on how these guys are looking? Lori, do you like how these look? Are there any different adjustments or changes that you want?
I'm a little teary-eyed. Because I actually have shape back to my teeth. They look really nice.
Okay. All right, so we will see Lori on the other side. You excited?
I'm sweating again.
Are you ready?
Yep, Lauren's coming. Holy crud, okay.
I told myself I wouldn't cry.
They made me cry in there. I guess I don't really like to smile as much. I guess I try to hide it. So I just do like a half grin kind of thing. So now hopefully you'll just be comfortable smiling. So, but yep.
And Lori's perhaps one of the nicest, happiest people that I know. She's always laughing. It's like when we're here, she's just laughing all day long. So it's sad that she doesn't feel comfortable smiling when she's just naturally such a upbeat, happy, outgoing person. So I think it'll be nice for her to be able to confidently laugh as much as she does with that beautiful new smile. Some of our patients prefer to do this asleep. Some of our patients prefer to do it awake. It's just up to the patient. We have an anesthesiologist that will come in and put you to sleep through the whole process if you prefer. And we do all that we can to make sure that you don't feel anything when we give you the shot. So we sent the scan over to the lab. Now Jeffrey is working on doing the conversion. So there you can see what her teeth looked like before, what the previous design was, what the teeth look like now, and merge it all together. And she was a grinder, so we had to, with doing veneers on people who grind their teeth, they're more likely to pop off. So sometimes you have to be a little bit more, take away a little bit more tooth structure and make crowns on there so that they'll stay on there longer. And because she's a grinder, we're also going to make her teeth out of zirconia, which is a stronger material. We can still make the zirconia very beautiful and aesthetic, but it's just a very strong material that is less likely to be able to break or fracture. Rory!
Yes, I'm coming. I'm right here.
Rory!
Right here.
Rory!
Right here.
All right, let's put on the teeth first.
Okey-dokey.
All right, so her teeth have finished printing. Here they are, and now we are going to pop those in there. So right now I'm just roughening up the inside a little bit and creating a little bit more space for these teeth to be able to sit down nice and easily in there. So these are her temporary teeth, so she'll have these for a couple weeks for us to see any changes that we want to make before we make the final teeth.
That's crazy. That's so cool. Yay! It just feels so weird. It's neat to have teeth. The actual shape. Cool. Yay! Thank you. It feels really weird though. And this, yeah. They seem natural though.
Yeah.
Like that's what my teeth should look like.
Yeah.
That's the way they feel.
Other than that your lip doesn't look real natural, right?
Right. Yeah, it doesn't want to. It keeps dropping.
Yeah.
It's just interesting to see. I actually have teeth that don't look all chiseled down, and I can't lift my own lip right now to see them or smile correctly, but it's amazing to actually have non-chiseled down teeth. Well, I mean, these don't even look like they're fake, you know, temporary.
Yeah, they look great.
They look really good.
Yeah.
So these are my sister's teeth. We were just looking at them, and he actually made my teeth similar to my sister's. So it's kind of nice to look like family, I guess.